They're only the size of your thumbnail, but these little lobsters are going on a big journey. After 3 months of nurturing at the National Lobster Hatchery, they're loaded up onto a boat at Newquay Harbour, soon to be released by a team of divers.
Lobsters populations throughout Europe have been in decline for many, many years, and we're trying to assist the recruitment of the population. So what the hatchery is doing is growing on lobsters to a point where they're less vulnerable in the wild, and then putting them back out to sea to help seed the stocks.
Today is the first release of the season, which runs from June until October. During this period, the hatchery expect to release 60,000 baby lobsters back into the wild. Eventually, the baby lobsters will grow as big as this one, but for now, they're the perfect size to explore the ocean for the very first time. The divers will be taking down these containers called aqua hives. They house around 100 baby lobsters each, and they're just 3 months old.
Diver release gives us really good information because we've actually got people down there seeing what the lobsters do when they're released, seeing where they go, and that gives us more information to plan future releases. It's just the best information we can get.
The divers from Somerset don't hang about in transferring the lobsters into the crystal clear waters. 1,400 babies later, and they're back up.
We took all the lobster trays down that you saw earlier and took them down onto the lovely reef down there with those little cracks that they can get into, and we spread them out along about a 20-metre distance, just making sure we're pushing them all into the rock so the fish couldn't get them. Left them all there. We'll come back and look for them in a couple of years' time, hopefully.
Around half the lobsters are expected to survive, which keeps both the hatchery and the fishermen happy, because by the end of the season there should be 30,000 more lobsters in these waters. Francesca Carpenter, ITV News, Newquay.